Welcome to the fifth section of our course. In this section, we'll be troubleshooting application deployment issues. So let's see the list of topics that we will cover. This section will be quite long because we will have 11 videos. So let's go through all of them and understand what we will cover. So we'll be working with replication controllers. We will do deployment with replica sets. Also, we will be running jobs, so run once and forget. We will be using deployments and daemon sets. We'll create a targeted deployment to specific nodes using daemon set. We'll be setting resource limit for application, and also we'll leverage capabilities and security policies. Then we'll be troubleshooting application deployment issues, and finally we'll go to the handling of out-of-memory errors and garbage collection and eviction thresholds. And this is the first video, and we'll be working with replication controllers. So we'll be creating replica set YAML pod file, and we'll be limiting number of replicas. So let's see what we will do. So we are in the section 5 folder, and let's open the create replica set YAML file. So we have replica set.yaml, and let's analyze it. So this is the definition of replica set. At the beginning, we need to specify that this is apps v1, so version, and then very important, the kind of this YAML pod definition is replica set. Then we have metadata that uniquely identify this specific pod definition. So the name of our application will be frontend, and labels will be booking, and here will be frontend. Then there is very important aspect that we are focusing in this video. So there is a specification of replicas. So replicas setting tells us and tells Kubernetes to use as many replicas that we have. So how many replicas does it have? When we'll create a deployment, the Kubernetes will create as many replicas, as many pods as we have at this parameter. So if we will set it to 3, it means that once we will run our set, it will create 3 instances of the front service. This is very important because it allows us to scale our services easily and also to leverage the builded mechanism that is present in Kubernetes. Then we have Selector. This is also important, so it tells that this replica specification should match only frontend tier. So we can create, for example, couple different replica specification, and every replica specification could be for the different tier or for different application. Finally, of course, we need to specify the container that will be started and that we will be basing on our pods. So we'll create 3 pods that are based on the Google samples GB frontend image. That is a Docker image, of course.